This hairstyle is quite vintage in look. So what we do is this, pull all the hair back into a ponytail. I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron halo, bring the hair through the halo, now position the halo where you want it. Now what we're going to do is just simply take each section and I'm going to place almost like a pin curl on top of the hair pad. Use your hair grips, just stick the hair grips straight in. You don't have to open the grips. The hair pads are amazing. They hold all of the hair grips perfectly. Now once you've got all of the curls, you've got it all there like that, we're going to encapsulate that with a hairnet. So I'm going to take a dark hairnet now and place this all the way around. Now this will capture all of the curls, accessorize the curls, tuck the hairnet away and just wave the front to finish. I love this look. Again, it's got that real timeless vintage feel to it. And with this beautiful beaded chignon at the back, really it looks so glamorous and so beautiful.